The Vivo X100 Ultra will be announced on May 13th, the company confirmed today on its Weibo account. The event will also see the introduction of two new flagships, X100S and X100S Pro, the first of which will have flat sides and front panel. The company already listed the phones on its online store in China, revealing the available memory combos and color options. The X100 Ultra has a camera setup that is different from that of the other X100 smartphones. According to a senior executive, the phone, with its flagship-tier camera technologies, the brand recently shared camera samples of the Vivo X100S, showcasing the phone's AI-powered image editing capability. And we are looking at a couple of pictures clicked with the Vivo X100 Ultra, which were shared by the company's VP on Weibo. The X100 Ultra feature a 50MP LYT900 primary sensor paired with a 50MP ultra-wide and 50MP telephoto camera, and a 200MP periscope telephoto lens. The phone may feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and pairs that with ample RAM and storage. The Ultra will have the big kind of battery around 5,500 mAh. It will have support for 80W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.